Good afternoon. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a vehicle I just consigned. This is a 2016 Thor Vegas 24.1. It's got about just under 19,000 miles on it. This has been very well kept and upgraded. It's got solar on the roof. It's already been added with a controller. They've also upgraded the inverter to this one right here. That's a 1,000-watt inverter. So that's going to power your entertainment package inside and out. Love that upgrade. Between the solar and that inverter, awesome upgrade. Out here, we've got our outside TV. So you can sit underneath the electric awning, watch TV by the fire, have a really wonderful, relaxing afternoon, evening. This has got some great storage in back. That goes all the way through and out the other side. Let me open this up. That's cool, isn't it? This vehicle also has a 4,000-watt Onan micro quiet generator. So if you're wanting something more than just using the inverter, you can start your generator, have it plugged in. Great rig. Okay, very clean. It's got the outside shower. It's got the sofa, living room slide out. Up front, we've got our standard Ford chassis. This has got the backup camera with side cameras. It's got the heated electric mirrors. It's Bluetooth set up for a cell phone, so you can do that hands-free cell phone use without breaking any laws. Like I said, just under 19,000 miles. Your table pokes in right here, right in front of the sofa, or you can put the little one in between the two cab chairs that spin around, become part of your living room. You've got a front drop-down electric bed, which is another great seating area or sleeping area for somebody. If it's a sitting area, they're pretty short. Okay, one big sink here with a nice flip-up countertop extension, pull-out fixture. This one's got the oven and the 3-burner stove. Very clean unit. We've got the microwave. Here's that solar controller. Right now you can see that the solar's putting out about 14 volts. Here's our inverter controller right here. All nice and simple. 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, Norcold, so it's adjustable for temperature. Oh, and come on back this way. I'm going to step out here and you're going to go on back, because this makes a big bathroom. Okay, this door pins open this way. See how many people we can get in the bathroom. And then of course this one's this way, and now we've got a really good sized bathroom. Okay, good corner shower, sink. Love this extra medicine cabinet here. That won't hold all of my medications. Should have taken care of myself a little better, I guess. It's all held in place with magnets. In our bedroom, that's 2 twin beds that also make into 1 king-size bed. Lots of overhead storage. This has 2 fantastic fans and a bath fan. And of course, our closet here. And this is a 2016 Thor Vegas 24.1 on the Ford chassis. My name's Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty. Thank you. Have a great day.